Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of this Oblivion 2017 Ultimate Graphics tutorial. Part 5 is going to be architecture in cities. So let's not waste any time, let's start directly with the roads, and we can choose either between Imperial roads or high-res road texture calls texture pack 3 replacement. But I suggest we just go for Imperial roads. Let's open it up with files and download the Imperial roads. Only that mod is fine. Then let's open up our Rybash. Here it is. Go to the installers tab, and then drag and drop Imperial roads in there. Right click on it and click on install. Here it is. I thought I clicked install right, not accidentally install last. Now, okay, Imperial roads. Then we can continue with Arena Redone HD. Let's see what we need to install. Install Arena Redone HD Bane _ Nexus Mod Manager. Use the wizard feature. Okay, so we can actually use the wizard feature. Let's do that then. Click on Files, download the Nexus Mod Manager installer. Okay. Then let's see. Let's do that. Let's just drag and drop it into our installers tab. Okay, and then as you can see, it comes with a special icon. That means it comes with a wizard. So right click on it and select the wizard with a graphical user interface. And let's wait a little bit until it has extracted its files. Alright, and then you'll have this install a wizard screen. Select the top version HD2K. Click on next. The red rooms, yeah, this is pretty much your own personal flavor. I'm just gonna leave everything default, or yeah, what I think looks the best. Do you use unofficial Oblivion patch? Yes, we do. The installer script, okay, these changes will apply. Great. Click on apply these selections and click on finish. Then let's read a little bit and to make sure everything has been done correctly. Yeah, okay, so only says follow the wizard. So then we can open up Imperial City Retextured, and we want to have the modular version, it seems. So download the modular version, and then we can install different parts of Imperial City Retextured. So let's see, here it is, Imperial City Retextured. Drag and drop it into the installers tab, then right click on it and click on install. Okay, and now we should have the option to select multiple parts, and let's see how this is done. A sub-package tab should appear on the bottom right of the installers tab. Okay, the installers tab, Imperial City Retextured. Yeah, okay, it was because we were not maximized. Let's see what he suggests we do. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, yeah, we need to actually pick this, pick multiple things. So let's just select the base. 1, 2, 3, the A1 from 0, 3. Let's choose 0, 4, 0, 5, and on 0, 6 we do have multiple options, so I'm going to select the main one, the first one, no idea what the rest is, and we want to high-res lot bridge. Okay, think that's enough for this mod. Okay, nice. Then we have Cathedral HD. Let's see, Cathedral HD. Go to files. It's only one file, so that's pretty easy. Cathedral HD. Drag and drop it here as well. And right click on it and click on install Cathedral HD. Alright, then we do have Gecko's A-Lit retextures using the no parallax version. Okay, the no parallax version. So here it is. Drag and drop it here as well. Okay, then you can right click on it and install it. Alright, after that finished, we do have from the same author from Gecko's interior textures and Imperial dungeon textures. So go to files, download the only version here, 2K, and from the Imperial Dungeon also download the only version there. Then go to Rybash, then go to the 2 packs. So drag and drop both inside of Rybash. And then it's just pretty much as you are used to right now. Right click on it to install for both packs. And they're quite big, so I'll wait. Oh no, it's not needed. Okay, they're pretty fast as well. And that's the advantage when you are using in solid state drive. The speed where it can actually copy files is 300. It's almost 400, 500 megabytes per second. So sometimes that works, but sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. It's finished now. Then let's see. What do we have more? Fort interior textures. Did we do that already? Yeah, sorry, we already did it. Now we can go continue with the rocks retexture. What do I have? Let's see, what do we have? Imperial Dungeon textures. Did I actually completely ruined runes? Okay, it seems I forgot the rocks or something. That's weird. Or not. Did I actually install this one? Let's see what the file name is. Yeah, it seems I actually forgot to install this mod. That's really weird. Rocks retexture. I don't see it here, so I guess I forgot it. Because here's runes, and that's number 8. Yeah, okay, I forgot this. I forgot the rocks completely. Very stupid, actually. So let's see. I have to decide for myself which one looks the best. Custom road. Let's see. What did I do wrong? Rocks retexture or call texture pack 3. Custom road textures and more. An improvement of the rocks. No, I'm going just to stick with rocks retexture. That's fine for me. Download the 2K version, and that's what I actually need to do myself. So I'm going to do that now. Let's see how large it is. Yeah, it's quite large. So I need to wait for this as well. So as you can see, I also sometimes forget to install things because there are so many mods here. But what I did, I just numbered it 7.1 to make sure the numbering is still correct. And then that means I also need to drag and drop rocks after my previous mod. So let's see, install. Let's install it as well. Rocks retexture. Alright, and meanwhile, while we are waiting, we can install the next mod, and that is Ruins. Install the 2 main files, so let's see which one those are. Let's see which one I did actually download. Completely ruined runes. Okay, it also seems I forgot to install mods here, or something went wrong with my previous session of Rybash. But anyway, I need to check this as well. So let's check the dates, the 5th of July and the 24th of July 2014. So that means we need to download this one, and we also need to download the skirting one, which comes with some patches and all. So I actually need to download this as well. And then after it's finished here, I need to rename this as well. So I need to name it 8.1 to make sure the numbering is correct as well. No idea what went wrong here, guys, with this. I think something perhaps with my Rybash previous session that I forgot to put some mods back, but doesn't really matter. Let's first install the main mod, then right click, then install it, and then install the skirting add-on, the patches for that. Click on install as well. Alright, then we have cave retexture and farm fence retexture and bruma retexture. These are pretty simple retexture mods. Click on files, download 2K version for caves, farm fence, download the only one there, bruma retexture, download the 2K as well. So yeah, these are pretty simple drag and drop and installation files, so I'm going to drag and drop them all together. We have to check the numbering is correct. Well, actually it doesn't really matter because these textures don't interfere with each other, so this order doesn't really matter, but We just stick to the order from Bevi Lex. So let's install caves, let's install farm fence, and let's install Bruma retexture. Alright. Now we can close these 3 ones, and then we can continue from Bruma, Shandal, Anvil retexture. Let's see, do not download the Anvil street lamp, that's 7-zip. Okay. This is also from the same Russian site as you can see, so we need to only download. So we have to make sure we are logged in. First, let's download Shandal retexture. Let's do that first. Shandal retexture. Drag and drop, and install it. And then for the Russian side, click on this green icon. And then download only this one. And I'm actually checking. I think I also didn't install this. This is pretty stupid. Did I do? No, I didn't install this. So I need to install this as well. Anvil. So only this one, not the Anvil street lamp. So let's download this. And I'm also missing this one. So yeah, let's wait until it's finished. Right, after that's finished, make sure you change the name from the Russian letters to, in my case, my numbering is going to be 12.1 because I want to have it after Shandal mod 12.1. Okay, then I can copy and paste the mod in here. And sort it by name. Let's see, did that work? Yes, it should. Yeah, here it is. Anvil after Shandal. How's that pronounced correctly? Shadenhall. Yeah, okay. Shadenhall. And then Anvil. We downloaded from the Russian website. So okay. Yeah, after Anvil, let's see what we have more. Yeah, these mods are all simple download and install mods. So that's pretty easy from now on. We have Woodland, we have Coral, we have Bravo, we have Skingrat, and Kavach. So let's open up all these things until Kavach. So here, download the 2K version from Woodland. From Improved Coral, download the Improved Coral and Improved Coral update, I think. Let me double check that. I also didn't download the update. Okay. Improved Coral. Let's see, didn't I download? No, I didn't download the update from here as well, so I need to do that as well because this has been released after the mod. So I need to update this. I need to download the update from Improved Coral. So make sure you download both files, and we're going to install the main version first and then the update. So maybe let's just do that right now, else we might forget it. Coral updates. Let's see, Improved Coral is number 14, so I need to rename it to 14.1. And we also don't need to forget to install the Leeuwin Woodland mod first. So here it is, Leeuwin Woodland mod. Okay, we can install that. And let's wait. It seems okay. Now I thought it was taking a lot longer. Okay, then we can do the Coral, the main mod. Let's install it, and let's install the update afterwards directly. So the updates we also need to install. All right, and then we can close everything from Coral and the mod before that. So let's see, then we have Bravo, we have Skingrat, and we have Kavach. Yeah, that's correct. Bravo also comes with a update. Okay, what the hell did I do in my previous installation? I have no idea, seriously. It seems I forgot all the updates. I don't know, man. Maybe I was tired or something, or I wanted to finish the entire part, but yeah, these need to be actually installed because it's an update and it's been put on later, it seems, or not. Okay, I don't really get this, but anyway, let's just install the main file first and then the update. Man, this is yeah, it's a lot of mods and a lot of info, and I just can't really understand why I didn't install these updates. But let's see, Bravo, where is it? Bravo, improve Bravo. So 15.1 needs to be installed for me here. 15.1. 15.1. All right. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's just install them directly then. So Bravo, improved Bravo, and afterwards the update. So we can just drag and drop them both. Install the main file first, and then install the update file. All right. Let's see. Okay, that was it, I hope. Yeah. Then improved SkinGrad is just one file. Click on this Russian green button and download the improved SkinGrad, that zip. So once you do that, yeah, it seems I also didn't do that because the first couple of mods I didn't do with the Russian website because I didn't thought it was really necessary. But yeah, and then you will see you have a lot of files which needs to be downloaded from this Russian website. So for that, I did decide to install to download all the mods later on. But there are a couple of ones from the Russian website that I did not do, and these are one of them. So improved SkinGrad comes after improved Bravo, and that's going to be number, yeah, what should I name it? 15.2 then, I think. Else the numbering is not correctly anymore. Improved SkinGrad. Let's just install and get this over with. Because yeah, I pretty messed up the numbering, but I can't do it any differently than this with the .1, .2. Okay, improved SkinGrad. Great. Then we have Kvatch HD. That's this one, Kvatch HD. Click on Files, Downloads. Let's see. We do have a 1.1 version. This one is actually the one that we want, I think. Kvatch HD, and yeah, download them both because it seems this one is significantly bigger. So download this as the main file and download this as the update file. And I don't think Bevi Lex is anything. No, he doesn't say anything about that. But yeah, you know, it's pretty much something we can see for ourselves. So first the main file. Let's drag and drop it, and then just drag and drop the update file. So let's first install version 1.0, 1.0, 1.0, and let's wait. Okay, then the update version 1.1 from Kvatch HD. Okay, great. Then let's see what we have left. We have more mods: Betis Sewers, Textures, Statues HD, Cloud Ruler, Temple HD, Way Shrines, and let's just keep it like that so far. Betis Sewer Texture comes also with multiple file names. Man, let me see. Okay, update 1, see first image. This is just a dry root texture, and this is the wet version. Okay, I only did download the wet version, so you can do that as well. That's correct. Statues HD, go to files. It's only one file, so that's easy. Cloud Ruler 12. Okay, I don't even try it anymore. Temple HD also comes with an update, it seems. Let's see, what did I download actually? Okay, I did download both files, the main file and the updated file, and the last one is Way Shrines we opened so far. That comes with a Russian one, also one file. So yeah, that's pretty much correct, my installation order I have so far. So I can drag and drop the wet version from Betis Sewers. Then we have Statues HD from Statues HD, that's correct, number 19. And then we have Cloud Ruler Temple, which comes with the main file and an update file. So drag and drop those two files as well. And the last from the Russian side, we do have Way Shrines. And it seems I also didn't download this, so let's download Way Shrines in here as well. And let's see, here it is, Way Shrines. Let's paste it in here, and let's name it something like, let's see, where's Cloud Ruler Temple? 21.2 or something like that. 21.1. Okay, and drag and drop it afterwards. Alright, so this order is correct. Now we can simply install it. Do the same for statues, HD. Then the same for Cloud Ruler Temple after this finished. Come on, we don't have all day. Okay, let's wait then. Okay, then the Cloud Ruler Temple first file. D0, the 1.0, and then we have 1.1. And we have Way Shrine as well. Alright, great. Then let's close all these things and let's continue. After Way Shrines, we have high-res architectures for Diedrich Shrines, high-res for God statues, high-res for basements, HD, high-res for ships, and it seems another Cloud Ruler Temple. Okay, not really sure if that's correct. And a lot of Russian once again. Let's just first do the high-res statues. So the Diedrich Shrines, Shrines and the God statues. Download the Diedrich Shrines first, and then the God statues afterwards. Let's see. This is an updated one. This is the original uncompressed one. So we only want to have the two compressed files. So we can drag and drop that easily here. This one, 22 and 23. The Diedrich Shrines and the God statues. Alright, then we can install them one by one. Alright, then let's see, what do we have more? I saw we had some Russian mods again, so that means I need to download things as well. Basements, HD, and ships. Yeah, and now I can understand why Bevi Lex asked me if I didn't install the ships mod correctly, because my ships looked vanilla, and yeah, I didn't, because I didn't download these Russian files. So Basements HD, this is this one it seems. Let's just download it. Basements HD, and do the same for ships. And maybe we should rename it, because else I don't know the Russian names from the Western names. So 23.1, and then we also have this. These are the ships then. Oh, whoops, we want this one, I guess. Yeah. So name it directly just 23.2. And let's see. Once it's finished, we can just, here it is, ships. Just paste it in here as well. Alright. Sort the name, please, for me, so I don't need to do that. 23.1 and 23.2. So the Russian ones go to our Rybash, drag and drop it here. And right click on it and install them both. So let's see, okay. And after we did do that, we can open up for the last time Cloud Ruler Temple and Tombstones. I'm not really sure again. What is this? Cloud Ruler Temple. It's also from a Russian one. I'm not really sure what the difference is between this one and the original one. So we're not going to download this one. I think it seems I did use them. Let's see, is it just a download button? Yeah, okay. Okay, you can download it. That's fine. That's fine. You know, I did install it. It seems so. Let's just download this as well and download the Tombstones as well. So these are the last two files from this part. Then go to Rybash and drag and drop these two files. And yeah, you know, it looks a little bit hectic, but that's because this tutorial, I mean, looks a little bit hectic, but that's because there are a lot of files it seems I didn't download, or either I didn't put the backup back correctly of all my previous installed mods in Rybash. So for that I need to correct some things during this tutorial, and it may looks a little bit messy. So sorry for that, guys, but this should be pretty much it for now. And let's grab our checklist again. Let's see where it is. Here it is. Let's grab our little checklist. And okay, installers, we did install everything here in the installers tab. Then we need to check our ESPs. Let's see if there are any new ones. No, it seems not. Okay, then we need to run bus to sort our load order. So let's do that. For Oblivion, okay, nothing really much has changed. And then we need to rebuild our bashed patch, which should always be on the bottom of our mods list. And click on rebuild patch. And as you can see as well, we need to disable some plugins. Click on build patch and let's wait. Okay, then make sure you recheck your ESPs which have the plus icon after they needed to be disabled for the rebuilding bash patch. And then there's one thing left, of course, and that is checking our Oblivion. We have to make sure everything works fine. Let's see, I can delete all these mods because I actually did copy them instead of cutting them to my mods folder. So let's start our Oblivion and then I'll see you guys in game to make sure everything works fine. Right, so welcome in game. I just did visit the Imperial City to see if I can see any changes so far, and to make sure it runs fine, your Oblivion runs okay without any crashes. So that's the most important thing. I would just visit the nearest city if I were you, and then we can see if everything runs fine. And if you don't have any crashes, that's great. So yeah, check it out, check out some of the cities, and if everything runs fine, then we can continue with the next part. So thank you for watching this part and hope to see you at the next part, and take care and bye bye.